Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Louisville, Texas, down at the Dallas Winter Boat Show. So we're going to take a real brief look at a Harris 230 Cruiser. So this one was ordered with the new Contour Power Bimini that also has an additional forward shade, which I'm a fan of. It works very, very well. Simrad in the dash, upgraded sound system with speakers on the transom. This is an SL floor plan, flip-flop backrest, which I love. Flip it like this if you're pulling the kids on the tubes or the skis, and you have all the power to do that because this one has a 200 horsepower on it. You can also fold that all the way down flat if you would like to have a full sun pad. On the business end of the boat, submersible swim platform, safety fencing all the way around the boat, back of the boat, making it legal to ride back here while the boat's underway. Ski tow bar, Mercury 200 horsepower, DTS, so it is a digital throttle, not mechanical, so this one actually is digital, with a lily pad ladder on the back, which is my favorite ladder out there in the industry right now. Rungs are about this wide. Dogs, pets can use it to get in and out of the water. It's the most comfortable ladder out there. So if you got any questions about this or any of the others, pick up the phone and give us a call. This boat is also priced right now nicer than it was in 2023. So in 2023, did not have the swim platform, didn't have the power bimini. 2-year newer boat with power bimini, with forward shade, with swim seat at the same price this boat was selling for back in 2023. So value's gone up, prices remain the same. We look forward to talking to you.